Hello and welcome everyone to live mega quiz grade 7th of GRIP 2021-22. So here we are meeting again. We have had a couple of quizzes earlier. We had grade 9th and grade 10th live mega quiz last week. And it was, both of them were like awesome quizzes and we had so much fun. We had 3 finalists from each of the grades. They were competing against each other for the top 3 positions of GRIP. And here we are meeting again this week for 2 quizzes. One is starting right now, which is grade 7th live mega quiz, and we also have the finalists with us. And after some time, around 2 hours from now at 4 p.m. Indian Standard Time, we are going to have the live mega quiz for grade 8th as well. So let me tell you, before we start with it, before I introduce you all to the finalists, we have this program. GRIP is basically a global rendering of intellectuals program, an original program by Ask IITians. And in this program, over the past year, we have had thousands of students participating in this, where they went through different stages in the program. So in the level 1 of the program, the students had been given interesting activities. They underwent different quizzes and super paper. And out of those students, all the students participating from around the group in grade 7, top 15 to 20 students went for the level 2, which was the super batch. So in super batch, which we are going to discuss in a little while with the finalists of grade 7th also, they had interesting lectures based on latest research or interesting scientific topics. And we had a mega paper. And finally, out of all those students, the top 3 students from grade 7 have made today to the live mega quiz to finally decide what the final ranks of these 3 finalists is. So I'm going to begin with it. I want to introduce, first of all, the very first finalist we have from grade 7th, and he is Adnan Nadeem Khan. So Adnan, can you come up? Yeah, hi Adnan.
Hello, sir.
So first of all, congratulations for going to the top 3 positions of GRIP. And definitely we're going to go away today with a prize. But let's see what position we're going to bag, first, second or third. But anyways, whatever it be, it's going to be an awesome achievement. And Adnan, let me tell you, you have many supporters in the YouTube live chat right now. Like, I think you are the most popular candidate as of now. So congratulations from my side and from others also. So Adnan, can you tell us a little bit about yourself, where you are from, and where you live, where you study, and everything?
Yes, sir. So first of all, good afternoon, everyone and all our viewers. I am Adnan Nadeem Khan, currently in grade 8 at Indian School Al Gubra International, Muscat, Oman. However, I am from Bihar, India. My goal is very clear. I want to proceed with medical research and development after I complete MBBS and PG. Yeah, and good luck to both of the finalists.
Okay, that's nice, Adnan. You mentioned that you want to go for medical stream in future.
Yes, sir.
So tell me about your experience with GRIP this year. Like we had different activities, physics, chemistry, maths, biology. Which one did you enjoy the most? And would you like to tell us a little bit about them?
My favorite one in the activities was the chemistry. In that, we had to make the dancing rice. We had to make an experiment of dancing rice in which we had to use baking soda and vinegar with rice and water. So like we take a 3/4 cup of water, add some baking soda, mix it thoroughly, properly, and then we add some rice. If you want to add some food coloring, you can also do that. Then after we add the vinegar, there's a reaction which creates a lot of carbon dioxide, which makes the rice go up and down.
Okay. So you conducted that experiment by yourself?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you prepare I think you prepared a PPT for it, and there were some videos also in it. In fact,
yes,
let me present it so that everyone can see who are watching it live right now. So this was the submission by Adnan, right?
Yes, sir.
So dancing like experiment. Okay, so you explained about the activity. Okay, the materials required. And okay, then you have mentioned, okay, we do have different links for your submissions for different steps. Introduction, step 1, step 2.
Yes.
Okay, let's see one of them.
So the second step, you will have to add food coloring if you want.
Nice. Okay. This was the food coloring that we were adding.
Yes, sir.
Okay, interesting. And then your full video is presented. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. So that was your chemistry activity. Any other activity that you would like to talk about, or any other stage? You attended the super batch also. So any
Yes,
particular
sir.
lecture that you love the most, you would like to talk about it?
The maths.
What was that about?
We did Vedic maths.
Oh, Vedic maths you studied. Okay. Nice.
Yes.
Like Vedic maths, like I have studied it a long time back, but yeah, definitely it helps us in making calculations faster. So have you
Yes,
been
sir.
able to apply them in the classes? Like now you have recently moved to grade 8th. Have you been using it?
A bit.
Wait, okay. Nice. So congratulations, Adnan, for being in this, and all the best to you. And now I'm going to move, guys, to the next finalist of GRIP Live Mega Quiz Grade 7th, who is Diya Baresh Sadadiwala. So Diya, can you come up? Yeah.
Yes, hello, sir. So my name is Diya Sadriwala. I am currently in grade 8, but I have been taking ASCIITN since grade 6. I must say it's a really amazing foundation, and it has really helped me with my studies. For me, like I am really positive. I'm a really positive person, and I take studies into really serious accounts. But then this ASCIITN, it has helped me enjoy the studies and still be able to do much more than what I used to do. It is a really fun experience to be in ASCIITN.
Nice. Where are you from, Diya?
I am from India, but then currently I'm in UAE, Ruwais. I'm studying here.
Okay. And what's your goal for future? What do you want to be when you grow up?
In the future, at the moment, currently I'm thinking about an engineer, probably a computer engineer. But then, like, God knows, in the future, I don't know really much.
Okay. It's still a long way to go. No worries. We have 4 or 5 years to decide. So Diya, can you tell me about your experience of GRIP? If you'd like to share that.
For me, the grip experience is really fun. It has really helped me boost my confidence and know much more about the studies I am doing. The super batch classes were really fun, and they helped me know a lot more than what I used to know.
Okay, which super batch classes would you like to talk about?
For me, it was physics. We did about astronomy and all, which is like, I really had an interest in all that from previous times. And like, it really helped me, and it was really fun.
Okay, astrology, astronomy. Astrology. Okay. Fine, interesting. So anything else you'd like to share?
Nothing, so.
Okay. Fine, Diya. All the best to you also. And now
you.
let's move to the last finalist that we have for the live mega quiz. And she, guys, let me tell you, is already a finalist of grade 6th live mega quiz from last year. And you may even know her because she has been here earlier on the same stage. And her name is Rishika Jain. Rishika?
Hello everyone, myself Rishika. Currently I'm in 8th, 12 years old, residing in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. So about me, my hobbies include calligraphy, reading books, and singing songs. And about grip. So grip has been really interesting for me, especially since I did last year. I had that special attraction towards it that I had to do it in grade 7 as well. So yeah, I again participated in grips, and this time we had more stages than last time. We had some quizzes, activities, super batch, mega paper, and now finally this live quiz. And out of all these activities were really interesting, but as Ada said, the best part was the super batch. Because in super batch, we learned about topics that we always thought of, we never knew about. And
which topics are you talking about?
My favorite one was again like Diya physics, because in that astrology and astronomy. Before that I was little bit interested in mythology, little bit, and astrology. Yeah, I only knew the term and basic stuff about it, like what is astrology. But then in that super batch, we learned about its differences and its similarities and how to make birth charts. our
do you mean
star
by
sign, our rising star, our sun sign, our star sign, our rising sun sign. That was all so interesting. And I even told my parents, they were like, wow, you're learning such great stuff. Even maths is really good. We learned about Vedic maths. In bio, we learned about hormones. Yeah, so it was amazing experience.
Nice, nice. It's good that you took, all three of you actually talked about the grip super batch. So that's interesting. You guys even deserve it. You competed against thousands of other students to get into the top 15, 20 students in that program. So definitely, that is what actually you guys work for throughout your first level so that you can get into it and experience that. And yes, I hope the best experience for you three guys for the grip program must be this live mega quiz that we're having here. Ishka, you already have some experience, but I don't think that is going to give you any advantage because these guys are also smart. They already they must have done a lot of research on this. They must have checked how things actually work, and they are also psychologically prepared. So it's good. I would wish all three of you good luck again. And if you guys are ready, then we can actually proceed with it.
Yes, sir. We're ready.
Yes, sir. Ready.
Okay, so let's start with it. So first of all, I think you guys know the rule. You guys are not going to turn your videos off or the mics off throughout the duration of the quiz. And if I ask you to, in the middle of the quiz, you will have to raise both your hands to show me where exactly they are. Okay, fine. If I ask you to. Okay, fine, guys. So let us start with the very first round that we have. And the round is, what are these? So it's an MCQ based round mostly. Let me tell you a little bit about it. There are going to be some pictures that I'm going to show you. For every picture, there is going to be a question. Now, there are going to be 4 options available to you, A, B, C, or D, and you will have to choose one of them as the correct answer. Okay, so you are going to send the answer in the public chat. Please do not send me the answers privately. That won't be counted. So I suggest you guys keep your public chat on throughout the duration of the quiz. So from these 4 options, one of them is going to be correct, obviously. You guys, if you think you know the right answer, you should be the very first one to send the right answer. If, for example, your answer turns out to be correct, for example, Adnan answers it first, and for example, the answer is B, he sends B, then he gets a score of plus 20. But if his answer is wrong, the correct answer, for example, is C, he answered B, he won't be given any score, no negative marking as such. But the next person will be given the opportunity. And for example, if Dia says C, she gets this plus 20 score.
So there wouldn't be any reduction of score after if the second person has also answers.
Yeah, there's not going to be any reduction of score in this round at all. And the maximum time that I'll be giving to you guys for this round, for every question in this round, is going to be 40 seconds. So I hope the rules are clear to all three of you.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I suggest you keep your fingers on the letters A, B, C, D, and send only if you know the answer. If you just send it by mistake, then of course you're going to lose the mark there. Okay, so shall we start with this round?
Yes, sir.
Remember,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
one of the
sir.
4 options is correct, A, B, C, D, whichever you think is right. You should be the very first one to give the right answer.
So,
And if
and
you-
we don't get a second chance, right?
You do not get a second chance. Okay, so guys, let us move to the very first question based on these set of rules. The very first question of the very first round, and the question is this: what is this thing? Is it a wicker used in a sport, sickle to separate grains, hand tool to plow the fields, or smart grinding machine? Okay, I have got a response from all 3 of you. Adnan has sent the answer first, and as you guys can see, he has sent the answer as C, hand tool to plow fields. Why do you think so, Adnan?
Like it looks like the shape of a hand, first thing, and then to plow, because if you dig in, it can take out soil and put back. So that's what I thought.
Okay. Second answer was sent by Rishika. Rishika, you sent B as the correct answer. So
Yes.
why do you think so?
I think it's correct.
You have seen it somewhere already?
Sir, I just had that thought that this might be this at the very first second. So yeah.
Okay. And same thoughts, Dia?
So it has this sickle shape, and thus I thought it's a sickle.
Okay. So guys, let me tell you the correct answer for this. Adnan has sent answer as C. Rishika has sent B. Dia, you also sent B. But if B is the correct answer, you won't be getting any score for it. So let's see what the correct answer for this is. It's A. It's actually a sickles wicker used for a sport. The sport is called JLI. And it's a sport played in Philippines and a little bit in US also. You can see the name of the sport on this guy's t-shirt, JLI. Okay, so nobody gets any score from this round, from this question in this round. And no worries, this is the very first one. Nobody gets any score for this. And now we'll move to the next question for this. Okay, are you guys ready for the second question of this round?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, second question for this round, MCQ based round, is this. What is the name of this game? Football, woodball, ground golf, or shot put? Okay, again, all three of you have sent the answers. So first of all, answer has been sent by Adnan. That is B, which is shot put. Okay, Adnan, what tells you that this is shot put? You have heard of this? You have seen this sport anywhere earlier?
I have seen this somewhere.
Okay. But second answer has been sent by Rishika, ground golf. What makes you think so, Rishika?
It's number one. I know it's not shot put because I've played shot put. It's like playing the ball, so it's not shot put, I guess. And ground golf seemed the most appropriate answer. Seemed. I'm not sure.
Okay, it seems like a golf, but
Yeah.
the ball is mostly grounded. Okay. Dia?
I've played both ground golf and shot put, so I don't think it's any of those. So thus I just guessed for football.
Okay. I as much as I remember, football is the word put. I think put shot is like a word similar to that is there in the game of golf also, where you actually hit the ball in this particular. I'm not very sure, but as much as I know about golf, this shot is called put shot. But anyways, the correct answer of this question is it D, Adnan's answer, C, Rishika, or A? So guys, the correct answer for this question is B, football. All others is made up names. Short put is a sport, but all others were made up names.
Wait, ground golf, football,
I played
nothing
golf.
like that exist?
Yeah, there's nothing like that.
Golf is already on the ground.
Yeah. This game is called football.
Wow.
So nobody gets any score in this question also. Okay. So let's move to the next question of this, the last question of this round, the third question. Okay, are we ready for it? Plus 24 if we get it right, but no negative score. So as of now, everybody is on 0 score. So the last question of the first round is this. What is this picture? Logo of a car, World Health Organization logo, Scottish Army flag, or trade symbol of international armies? Okay, all three of you have again sent the answers. So let me stop the timer. Okay, so what are the answers sent? First of all, Dia has sent the answer. Right, Dia, so you have sent A.
Yeah.
Logo of a car brand. Acha, Rishika has also sent A, Adnan also has sent A, all three. So then I think you guys are very sure about it.
Yeah.
So Dia, let me ask you, since you answered first, is this actually logo of a car brand? Do you know the name of the car brand?
I am pretty sure it's a logo of a car brand because I think I've seen it somewhere. I am not sure, but then it looks really similar to a car brand. I think I know. So I'm going for car brand only.
Okay. Second attempt, like almost at the same time, but I think a second delay was in the answer of Rishika. Rishika, you also selected this. Do you know?
Yes, sir, I've seen this. I don't remember the exact name, and just like Dia, my answer might be a wild yes, but is it Tesla or probably no?
Tesla, it's like a T shape. So no, it's not.
I think it is Renault's car. I think.
It's a car. Everybody's pretty sure about
Yeah,
that.
everyone knows that it's a car brand. But
Looking at your confidence, definitely I cannot deny. The answer is A. It's logo of a car brand and it's Chevrolet.
oh,
Okay, so that's correct. And all three of you answered it right. But since Dia answered it first, so she gets a plus 20 score from this question.
Yes, sir.
So the summary of the first round, 3 questions were asked. All of you got 0 in first and second question. In the third question, Dia has got plus 20 and rest, Adnan and Rishika still to open the accounts. But no worries, we have other rounds also. But as of now, Dia is on lead with 20 score and Adnan and Rishika are having 0 score as of now.
Sir, just
Yeah.
a second. My internet level is dropping.
Okay.
Just
Anyways, Adnan, how did you find this round? Like the level of questions, like clearly third question you knew.
okay.
The
So
third question was
yeah,
easy.
the third question was the best.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's have a look at the scoreboard also once. Yeah, so as of now, Rishika and Adnan are a 0 score. Dia takes a lead, a small lead. It's not much, guys. 20 score, 1 question, not a major difference, but yeah, still with a little lead, Dia, you're there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there are 2 more rounds to go, and as we proceed to more and more rounds, the game is also going to become interesting. Okay, so shall we start with the next round?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, the next round is actually going to be very interesting because it's mostly about like these kind of games you have played when you were even smaller, when you were younger. Mostly these kind of things come in magazines, newspapers mostly, where you actually have to find things in all the present objects. So that's the round 2, find in all. So let me tell you the rules of this round. Here, guys, we will show you a image, a picture, and we will ask you to find one particular object or thing or person or whatever out of those. Now, for this round, I'll be giving you 120 seconds, 2 minutes. I'm going to flash a picture in front of you. You guys are supposed to identify the given object in the picture and you have to send its X and Y coordinates. You understand X and Y coordinates? X represents how much to the right on the scale it is. Y represents how much upwards or downwards it is. So there will be 2 scales, one horizontal, one vertical. You have to identify the location of it and write the answers as the coordinates of the point. Now it's not necessary to put brackets in this form. Brackets X comma Y is not important. Just X coordinate comma Y coordinate will be fine. Okay, so you basically have to locate it. Now, picture can have multiple objects present inside it. So a little bit of error deviation will be accepted. For example, if the answer is 4,5. So even if you answer 4.2, 4.8, that's fine. Not much of deviation is there. But
Sir,
overall,
again,
answer should be, yeah.
Sir, in this question again, like if the second person is answering correct, there will be no reduction of marks. No.
Yeah, there would be no reduction of marks. There's no negative marking at all. But everyone will again be given only one opportunity to answer. And whoever gives the the correct answer correctly first, he will be given the plus 30 score.
okay.
No one else. Okay, so you have only one opportunity. You have to give only one answer, and only the first person giving the correct answer will be given score. 2 minutes in total. Okay, so all the best to you guys. Keep your fingers on the keyboard. As soon as you find it, try to send it. But please make sure you should not make any typing mistake. If you do, you won't be given any score for it. Okay, so make sure when you're sending it, that is the right answer according to you. Okay,
Okay, sir.
fine. So let us start with the second round. The first question of this, where you have to identify an object. So the first question is this. You have to find the sad face among all these faces. 30 seconds are over. Tia, okay. Yeah, Rishika also has sent it now. Anyways, no denying it. You guys have already realized from the chat. The very first answer sent by Dia is already correct. It's 10,8. And as you guys can see, the sad face out of all these faces is present over here at 10,8. So that's the right answer. And Dia, because you answered it first correctly, you get a plus 30 score in this. So that makes your score plus 50 in total as of now. So plus 30 score you have already taken from the first question given here. Okay, that's interesting. That's a good play. Good going, Dia.
Yes.
But
Thank
anyways, guys, Adnan, Rishika, you guys also have a lot of questions left as of now. So let's see. There are 2 more questions in this round. If we are able to find the object or image or whatever is up in the next image. So are we guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So let us move to the next question, which is this. You have to find this character called Sylvester in this image. Okay, all 3 of you have sent the answer within the first 15 seconds. That is awesome. Very, very difficult it was to find. I don't know how you guys even did that. But yes, the one who sent the answers first correctly gets the score. So Adnan, you have mentioned 7,0, which is actually the right answer. Sylvester is over here. Nice. So since Adnan sent it first, he gets plus 30 score from this. So from the second round, as of now, first question, Dia got plus 30 score. Adnan gets also another plus 30 from this round, from this question. But how did you guys, like, from which place actually did you start finding this, Adnan?
Red nose.
Ah, okay, red nose. What was your strategy, Rishika?
Sir, I've black hair.
Black hair was really tough.
Sir, like white and black. So first I saw the corner ones, like 0,20, 0,19. Then I went up and found 7,
Okay, you started from the corner of the image. Nice, nice. Dia?
Same thing, black and white. Found
Black and
from
white.
the corner to up.
Oh, I think this red strategy, like finding the red nose, was very interesting.
Yeah.
Black, white would have been tough, but I don't know, guys. There are so many colors. I would not have been able to do it this fast at all. So many objects. But anyways, how many characters of these images do you identify?
Especially Tom and Jerry.
Tom and
I
Jerry.
given a 6 to 9 of
You
characters.
asked me to find Tom and Jerry. I cannot do that. Where are they?
Next to that,
And
big
like it's in
one.
the center
Next
only.
to the white big one.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay, okay, okay. Tom
Tom
over
is in
here,
the
Jerry over
center.
here. See, that bad I am. I'm not able to find the object exactly in the center of the image. Okay. What are the other characters you identify?
Uh,
Those Ninja Turtles I'm identifying.
Yeah.
Ninja Turtles, yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. So guys, as of now, we still have like, as of now, Dia is at the top with 50 score and Adnan is second with 30 score. Rishika still to get the first score. But no worries. Let's see how the next question goes of this round. If we're able to identify the given object in the image. So are we ready for it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. So the third image of this round goes over here. You have to find this man in this image. 30 seconds are over. 1/4 of the time is gone.
Sir, the character will be in the same pose?
I don't know.
This is so hard.
Yeah.
Half the time is up. 1 minute remaining. "30 seconds left, guys." "10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Okay, so this question is anyway skipped by you now. But can you guys find it and let me check if anyone from watching it live on YouTube can actually answer this?
I think I found him now.
I can't find it still.
Next to some white, blue, black thing. In the right corner, I'm not sure if it is him only, but it looks like him.
Can anyone from the viewers watching live on YouTube can tell this? Are you guys able to find it?
I sent the coordinates now, but I'm not sure if it is him.
17, 12.
Okay, Adnan says 17,2. Sharwani says 1,1, 1,1.16. Acha, 1,16. No, okay. I think Sharwani, you are guessing this one. That's not him actually. Adnan says 17,2. Do you guys think that's correct? (14,11) Rishika says 14,11. Over here, this guy.
Yes, sir.
No, that's not him. Actually, Adnan is right. 17,2.
Oh my god.
This guy over here.
Oh my god, that's
So we can't even
After
see his
the-
shirt.
I could
After
barely
the time only I realized.
This was very, very difficult. Just look at the complexity of the image. How can one identify anything?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe Adnan would have got it if we had a little more time.
Yeah.
Nice. But no, anybody can actually confuse this guy also with this. Looks almost the same. So anyways, nobody takes any score from this particular question. And guys, in this round, like you guys did score a lot from the previous question that we had. This one, Dia got a score of +30. Then from the second question, Adnan got a score of +30. And from the last one, as of now, nobody has been able to get any score. So that's fine. +30 it is for Adnan, +30 for Dia. And let's have a look at the updated scores also. Yeah. So in all, still behind is Rishika with 0 score as of now. Second position as of now, till the second round, in the second last round of the quiz, is Adnan with 30 score. And not with much difference till now also. There is Dia with a total score of 50. So guys, now we are moving to the last round of this quiz. And there are going to be more questions than we had in these rounds. So still we have a possibility of taking a lead. And I would say, Rishika, even you still have a lot of chance. If you play very well in this round, you can actually still take the lead. Okay, so let us start with the next round. the last round of the live mega quiz grade 7th for this year. The third round says its name is Do You Remember Me? So in this round, guys, we are actually going to see how much you are able to retain, how much information you are able to retain on the basis of a picture that is shown to you. From that, what you can remember for some time. Okay, so it's mostly your memory-based skills it's trying to test. And let me tell you the rules of this round. Guys, it's a buzzer kind of a round. Here, I'm going to flash an image in front of you for 15 seconds. I'll show that image to you for 15 seconds and then I'm going to remove it. Okay, then on the basis of every image, 2 questions will be asked to you. Okay, back to back, I'll be asking 2 questions. Actually, when I show the first image, I'll ask a question. I'll show it for 15 seconds. I'll ask question 1. Then I'm going to go back to that image for a couple of seconds. And then we are going to move to the next question also based on it. Okay. So if you want to attempt an answer in this round, you have to type the letters IN in the chat. Okay. Uppercase, lowercase does not matter, but it should be IN and it should be perfectly written, like no spacing in between them and no spelling mistakes or anything. And whoever sends it first, whoever I receive it from first in the chat, that guy will be given this opportunity to answer it. If you want to answer it, you can use your mic. You don't need to type the answer then. You can just use your mic to answer the question. If you are the first person who attempts it correctly, you'll be given a score of +20. But if you get it wrong, no worries, you won't be given any negative score. Next person will be given the opportunity, and the person who sent IN the second in the order. If he gets it right, he gets +15 and the question is closed. If he also gets it wrong, the third person gets the chance, and if he gets it right, +10. Okay, everybody clear about this? All 3 of you?
Yes, sir.
And sir, like after we write IN, we don't have like time. We have to like directly say the answer.
At the very instant. Exactly. Okay.
Yes.
So guys, I'm going to flash image for 15 seconds. And for answering every question, I'll be giving you 30 seconds time. Okay, but you have to answer it as soon as you know the answer. Otherwise, if you are second in the queue to get the answer right, you won't be given any score. Okay, so rules are clear.
Okay,
If you guys have, you can let me know.
Nothing, sir.
Rishika, good?
No question.
Yes, sir.
Adnan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, let's proceed to the third and the last round of this. The first image that I'm going to flash, and I'll be asking 2 questions on the basis of it. The first image over here is this. Okay, the time is up. So guys, the first question based on this image, keep your fingers on IN. As soon as you get the answer, just type IN, then you'll be given the opportunity. The first question is this. Rishika, what's the answer?
So 1.
That's the right answer. Nice.
Sir, I put in first, but
No, it says for me that I put it.
I have received Rishika's in first actually.
okay.
So Rishika, you get the score of +20 from this question. So there was one monkey guy, guys, and let me show that image to you again, where that monkey was. It was over here. This monkey. So you were right about it. You can have a quick look at this image because now I'm going to move to the next question also. And the next question is this. Okay, all 3 of you have sent it, but let me tell you the order in which I received it. Rishika sent it first. Rishika, what's the answer?
So 3.
Okay, Adnan?
I had same 3.
3. Diya?
3.
Okay, all 3 of you are right, but Rishika gets the score for this. And she gets a +20 for this also. Nice. So guys, we might know the answer, but we have to be a little bit quick also in this. And I'm sure like almost instantly you guys are sending. There's a difference of hardly like 1/10 of a second or so. No worries. It was a good round because you have been able to answer and score well from this. So Rishika from the first image has got plus 40 score. So very, very close to the opposition now. As of now, from this question, after this question in this round, Adnan is the last with the 30 score. Rishika is second with 40 and Dia is still with the leader with a score of 50. Okay. So shall we guys move to the next image, the second image?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to flash this image for 15 seconds. Then I'm going to ask you a question instantly.
Okay.
Okay. So guys, the second image is this. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Just a second, guys. I can hear somebody in the background in front of you. Can you guys tell who it is? Okay, let's pause it for a while. Can you guys flip your cameras and show me who else is there in the room? All three of you. Okay. Fine. So guys, I'm going to flash the image again for around 5 seconds for you, and then we are going to move to the question. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
The image is this. The first question that we have is this. Adnan, what's the answer?
Sir, pink.
That's the right answer. Rishika, what was your answer?
So same.
Priya?
Pink.
Yeah, that's true. The color for this was pink, but Adnan gets the score for this. So Adnan gets a score of plus 20 from this because he was the first person who answered it correctly and was the first person to press the buzzer. Okay, so that's good. I think now Adnan would again get a score of like from 30. Earlier you had 30, now you move to 50. So Dia and Adnan are with a tie of plus 50, and second is Rishika as of now. Nice. So I'll show you that picture, that image again for around 5 seconds. Then we'll move to the next question. This is the image. So guys, question is this. Rishika.
Sir, down.
Yellow bird. Dia.
Yeah, sir. The yellow bird was looking down.
Adnan.
Down.
Are you guys sure I'm talking about the yellow bird?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, you guys are right. But since Rishika sent it first, so Rishika gets a score of plus 20 from this. So I think now Rishika takes the lead in this game because she has got a score of plus 60, and Adnan and Dia second position. And I must say, it's a very, very, very close competition as of now. We, I think, in the past never had this close competition. We had a difference of 10, 20 in the past, but not like all three participants with such a close score. Just a score of 10, and we are already in the last round. And the next one is going to be the last image that I'm going to show to you. And only two questions are there left, which is going to decide the final positions. So tough competition, close competition. Let's see who answers the questions correctly. So shall we move to the image 3 now, the last image?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
We'll get in total 15 seconds to see the image and then 30 seconds to answer each question. So guys, the last image for this live mega quiz grade 7 is this. Okay. So let's move to the first question first. The question is this. Dia sent it first. Dia.
So it was written in yellow.
Rishika.
Yellow to orange, like ombre.
Yes, sir. Between yellow and orange.
Adnan.
Yes, sir, same. Yellow
Yes.
to orange.
You guys are right. But since Dia sent it first, Dia gets a score of +20. Guys, this round turns out to be very.
Sir, it's like tiebreaker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is becoming very interesting. Okay. So what's the current score then? Dia has got a score of +20. So Dia, I think, is at
70,
the
60,
it's
70, sir.
60 score is up now. Sorry, 70. So
70.
70, 60, 50. Come on. How difficult can this be? Like,
Sir.
and now we are going to have the last question of this. That's going to decide everything. Do you guys need a break?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So let's move to the last question. I'm going to flash the image again for around 5 seconds for you guys. Then we move to the last question of this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Here's the image.
Okay.
The question is this. Rishika.
Sir, in a street.
Adnan.
Street.
Dia.
Street.
That's the right answer. So since Rishika answered it first, so Rishika gets a score of +20.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that was really, really interesting, guys. Never seen a competition this close.
Sir, it was like 10, 10. Each and every question mattered.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. And Rishika, must say, you played this round really, really well.
So this was the only round in which I scored.
Yeah, from zero score, you took the lead to reach the topmost position in this. That's commendable. And Adnan, you also answered questions correctly. Dia, you also. This round was very, very close for everyone. Nice. This was a game changer, this particular round. This is the last rounds. And let us have a look at the final scores now. So from this round, Rishika has answered 4 questions correctly. So she got like exceptionally high score of +80. Dia answered one of them correct. So first, so that was +20, and Adnan also got +20 from this. And guys, the final score for our live mega quiz for grade 7th is this. Rishika suddenly moved from the last position 0 score to highest score 80, but not with, I should say, it's negligible difference. This was the lowest score difference that we can ever have, 10 in this quiz. And with that low score difference, Dia is second with a score of 70. And again, very, very close to her is the third position holder, Adnan, with a score of 50. You guys played really, really well. I'm sure everyone who is watching this quiz also felt, yeah, you guys, of course, had a lot of good luck wishes in the chat, but people have cheered you throughout the quiz also. And this finally, guys, is the position. So for grade 7 live mega quiz and for the whole grip program, then for grade 7th, Rishika is the first position holder, Dia is second, Adnan is third, and all 3 of you guys are winners. It's just that we have decided who the 3 final rank holders are, but all 3 of you guys are going to win prizes. So we are going to declare that those prizes in the coming week, once the grade 8th mega quiz is also conducted in a while. So let me tell the viewers also, in around 1 hour 10 minutes, that is at 4 p.m. IST, we are going to start with grade 10th live mega quiz also. So please do join that. Cheer those finalists also. We have shared the link already with you. You can access that and you can join that and cheer those finalists also, like you did these ones. So again, congratulations, Rishika, Diya, Adnan. I hope you guys enjoyed it a lot.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine, guys. All the best then. Good luck.
Thank
Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
bye, sir.
Bye,
Thank
sir. Have a
you.
nice day.
Bye.
Have a nice day, sir. Bye.